So I got a bunch of parts. Even more in the car. I think I need this box. That's a gas door. Guess I don't need that box. I think I need this box. I'm gonna change up the dash, get rid of the flames, and fix the odometer. I pulled out 4 screws. This one had a bunch of wires. Oh, the 1/4 inch. Remove the gear off there. And pull the pieces out of here. Alright, doing the motor mounts. So disconnect the battery right now. Got the transmission mount too. 7816. Woohoo! Thought it was looser than that. You see a loosey
Oh, that loosey boy.
That loosey boy is about to come out. I didn't take the starter out on this side. If you're on the ground, I could see you might need to take the starter out, but yeah, we're almost there. This still says Ford on it, so these might be like a factory Ford mount comparatively.
Clearly.
These new polyurethane.
Yep.
Oh yeah. Alright, I was having a ball. I am like super dirty.
Duty?
Trying not to get the car dirty.
Duty. Super duty.
I'm a super duty. Yeah, I'm trying not to get the camera dirty. I get a rag on it as I'm touching the camera without the rag. But, oh, now I'm blind. Got that mount in. This mount, this side, is like where I can't even see it. That motor mount, the pin that has to line up is freaking impossible. This one's in. It's all tightened down now. I loosened up this. I wasn't gonna take the exhaust off or anything, but putting this mount in.
Thanks.
This rear tranny mount comes with the washers, block washers, and bolt. And that's it. All in there.
Oh, you need the number sheet?
Hey Danny, you know what I find funny that I just realized? What?